Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Heart and Purpose for Real. Bringing to you another video, another food video, uh, recommended by my friend Miss Motionless. We went to Chipotle. She got me something called a sofrita, something like that. I done called it a bunch of different things on the way there and while we was there, but I think it's called a sofrita. Anyway, it's a mixture of tofu and a bunch of other goodies. So I'm gonna try it. I was gonna get some hot sauce, but I don't feel like getting up and interrupting the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this open. There's like a bed of lettuce, man. They even got a fuck ton of lettuce. Look at all that. Look at all the lettuce. Look at all that. So I'm gonna probably scoop a little bit of it off. Maybe make a little separate salad or something like that. Shout out to Miss Motionless for recommending this. One of my subscribers too. Much respect. Just want to be able to see it. So yeah, there's enough salad, there's enough lettuce here, greens or whatever, to make a whole nother, like a mini salad or something like that. So I guess that's a plus in a way. Can you hear me? Because the fan's on. I guess I'll find out after I'm done recording this. But it's got like a bunch of guacamole, pinto beans, salsa. So here we go. Not bad. So like I said, it's like tofu, brown rice, pinto beans, guacamole, corn, leafy greens. This is actually my first video of 2020. I haven't been making videos for a while because it's kind of been underneath the radar. Working, sleeping, eating, repeat. Spent Christmas at my dad's. New Year's out on the road, driving, working 2 jobs. And I just don't know what I'm going to do. I want to do something different this year. So, I'm still sticking with the same heart and purpose for real, but just in a different way. I want to show some growth, some evolution. It's kind of hard when you've just, kind of been stagnant. I feel like I've been saying the same thing over and over again with the videos. As you can see, I made a bowl. Try to eat some so I can show you what it is I'm eating besides guacamole and leafy greens. But it is good. As far as I know, it's plant-based. No cheese and no sour cream. Say what? So, a couple things. I went to go see Harley on the low. It's garbage. I really think they could have did a better job. I saw Robert Pattinson's Batman teaser. It was cool, See where they go with it. Rise of Skywalker. It was good. Ended on a positive note.
like the Joker. Ever been outside the studio, Murray? That's probably the one thing DC got right. You know, a non-superhero movie is the first thing they get right. You know, DC is like fucked up. Their continuity from the TV to the movies to the comic books, their movies, and they are just a mess. Meanwhile, Marvel's killing it. So, that's what it looks like underneath. You know, rice, beans, tofu, salsa. So, I want to do something different. Or at least do the, you know, keep it along with the hard purpose for real concept. We'll just do it in a different way or make some, you know, progress on certain things. Right now it just seems to be food and talking. Yeah, but DC better get its act together, man. This shit's fucked up. Like they don't even care, you know? Looking forward to see what Sony does with Marvel. With Spider-Man and Venom. Oh, I actually have a relative that's going to be a actor in the movie Venom 2. Tony G. Greenwell. Found him on Facebook. I think it was in San Andreas too. Yeah, he actually posted a Facebook pic of him on the set playing a police officer. So he probably knows who's whether or not Tom Holland's going to make an appearance. It was pretty good. I like the salsa. Maybe a little too much lettuce. She kind of just like piled it on. I think she heard I was a vegan. Guacamole's good. I even like the corn, nice touch. So yeah, a relative of mine is going to be on a Venom 2. Which I think is a relative of mine. Heard through the grapevine. I've got like relatives that do stuff, like cousins and great uncles and grandparents. My granddad was an old war hero, Purple Heart. My uncle was a Tuskegee Airman. Got two cousins that are like the twins, and they paint and make music. Shout out to the Chocolate Drops. My cousin Alicia Greenwell, she created the Joy Parade, the Black Joy Parade, in Oakland. Shout out to Alicia and Sarah. Well, that's pretty good. I wonder what it would be like in a burrito. One thing. I'm not sure this matters if it's a bowl, but it's cold. I'm sure it could be hot as a burrito. So, but the only thing that's worked, looking over last year, has been reciting over and over again what the principles of heart and purpose for real are: overcoming obstacles, accomplishing goals, and encouraging others. So, and eating, showing you what I'm eating, what I eat in a day, some of what I eat in a day, and maybe talking about a few topics. I would like for my videos to be more meaningful. I gotta do something more meaningful. Be something more meaningful. Maybe one of these days I'll do a video where, like, 10 or 20 things you didn't know about me, you know. Go someplace and do something. Once I learn how to put like the link in the description and point to stuff and get the writing and get some music behind. Oh, where's that? This is my Christmas present. Kindle Fire. So I can get books on this. I can get probably do some more filming of stuff and maybe use it in tandem with my phone to record better videos or edit them, because I don't edit anything. Got onions. Good. Almost done. Look at that. Trying to think what I'm going to drink to wash it down. I might even change the name of the channel. Wouldn't that be something? But I just have to start over. You know. Wow. I think I'll leave the lettuce, the extra lettuce out. So that was pretty good. Mouth's burning a little bit, but that's a good thing because I can take it. But so yeah, I also been laying off the gym. Been just feeling some type of way since Mom's birthday was last year in November. But yeah, so I've got some weight to lose, and still endorse the snake diet, even though it's something I need to follow and stick to. But there's that there. Just look at my guns. But they got some weight to lose. Some topics to talk about. Various things to eat, places to go, things to create. And you'll be a part of it, A shout out again to Miss Motionless for the so free to recommendation. Heart and purpose for real. Stay tuned.